Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this beautifully presented 2-bedroom terrace property over on Cannon Street in Eccles. So as we head through the property, you'll see loads of original features still, all the coving, the original floorboards. It is beautifully presented. So as we head on through to the front, we've got the first reception room, the gorgeous bay window and log burner. Fantastic space in here, flooded with natural light. It flows seamlessly through to the dining area. And you've got the fireplace there. Fantastic space in here for your dining table and additional furniture. This also benefits from the double doors out onto the rear, where you'll find this gorgeous low maintenance rear garden, super private, not overlooked at all. You've got the seating area at the back. Does get the sun all day. Really quiet back here. We've also got a door through to the kitchen on the left. So as we head on through to the kitchen, we've got some understairs storage. And this fantastic kitchen space overlooking the garden. Got a range of wall and base units. Also houses the boiler. It's got space for a fridge freezer, door out onto the rear, gas hob and oven. Now as we head on upstairs, you'll find 2 really good sized bedrooms and a huge 3-piece bathroom. So to the rear of the property, we've got this bathroom. It's got the bath and shower in here. Fantastic space again. With the size of the bathroom, you have got the potential to make this into a 3-bedroom property. Through to the second bedroom, which again, a huge space, overlooks the garden. Space for a double bed and additional furniture in here. And then back through to the front of the property, where you'll find the master bedroom. Have got some more storage to the left on the hall. Got this fantastic size double bedroom. It's got the 2 windows, letting loads of natural light in. It's a really quiet street as well. Minimal passing traffic. It's in a fantastic location near all the transport links, some sought after schools and parks. So if you would like a viewing, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.